Hey OCD travelers, today I'm testing the #1 rated travel backpack as ranked by Amazon users. It was less than $100 to get a better understanding of if you need to own it or not. Hey OCD travelers, this year I'm once again taking my family back to Europe, and one thing I learned last time is I'm a Rick Steves disciple. And what I mean by that is Rick Steves recommends that you travel Europe with nothing more than a backpack. So for our last trip, my family and I, we got 3 of these High Sierra style backpacks, and they're really good. They open up just like a standard Pullman, but when you're moving around Europe, which we're not going to be in any one place for much more than 24 hours, we do have a 3-day stay in Budapest, you really want to be super mobile, and the best way to do that is with a backpack. So my son got a little bit older. I'm going to let him use my High Sierra backpack. I'll try to link information to this High Sierra because it is a good solid bag, but I'm going to loan that to him, so I decided to get a new bag. So how did I get it? I just went to Amazon, I looked at traveling backpacks, and I took the highest rated backpack, and that's what I'm about to show you today. Look, I'll spare you a detailed unboxing. This is standard Amazon fare. I busted it open. The only thing that was unique is the bag was kind of rolled up and then taped over in plastic. I was afraid it may have been used before. It does appear to be brand new, but there it is. I'm busting open the bag, and you'll see the finished product right now. So there it is. All right, so this is Bange. That is the name of it. B-A-N-G-E. I think I got it for somewhere around $75. Had some sort of a promo. It came with it. Brought some package cubes along with it. Initial impression is it's kind of cool. This is a kind of a waterproof type material. But let's open it up. So a couple of outside hidden pockets there. So there is a nice pocket. Pretty deep. That'd be great for like a tablet or something on the go. You can see we've got another pocket right here. And then another, so loads of pockets right off the bat. Zippers seem to be going okay. We tested that guy out. Some adjustable bands on the side. I do like the fact that it has both this side handle. You see a side handle as well as a top handle. Okay. All right, so I'm getting into the main compartment here. Am I? I'm not. Okay. All right, so this compartment is a little bit interesting. You can see you've got a keychain holder here, keychain holder, pens. It doesn't zip all the way, so it stops. So this would be good for a laptop. You can see the cord here. This cord here is designed for, you hook a battery pack up to it. And then on the outside somewhere, you can actually, right here, as long as you have a battery pack there, there's a USB here, so you plug that right into your phone, your camera, whatever, and instead of having to monkey with some sort of another backpack, you can draw right off the source. So that's nice. So that's kind of this accessory pouch. Let's see. Quality seems to be good. There's netting here. Again, there's that wire, pretty deep pocket. And then let's get to the main compartment where you're going to store all of your clothing. I'm going to unsnap these guys. There you go. All right. Now in the main compartment, and what was nice about this set is it did come with some matching pods. And I don't know about you, but if you're using a backpack, I'm 100% going to use pods because they're just necessary to keep things organized. And for this particular pack, let's see, I think I got 3 pods. I got a big guy, a small guy, and these all have this waterproof kind of material. It's still branded with Bange here. Pretty darn good stuff. All right, so I call your attention over here. This waterproof container is designed to put anything that's wet, like your toiletries or anything that could leak. That's kind of nice to have. And then this side is really flat, as it should be, because over here, this is going to be your primary packing area for clothing. So essentially, you pop this open, you put your pods in there, and you can see this lip. This lip's kind of cool here. So your pod would essentially, here you would clip that. I'll get the big pod out. You'd load the pod in. You would put it down, and you would just start packing away. And then after that, you've got a bunch of compression straps you can then pull on. So a pretty cool looking set here. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. It does have a chest strap, which is great. It does not have, see that chest strap? It does not have a belt strap, which is sometimes nice to help distribute weight. Let's see. Oh, and there is a nice hidden pocket back here, it looks like, which is awesome. So hidden pocket back here is perfect for something like a passport, cash, just to keep it out so somebody can't come behind and grab it. All right, so there you have it. So far, so good with the Bange or Bang, no idea how to pronounce it, travel backpack. Amazon user says it's the best. I like the fact that it has that waterproof material, easy to clean off. I like the fact that it comes with those customized travel cubes, which should be designed for that bag. It's comfortable, it looks good. I think it might be available in different colors as well. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe. So as I get closer, I'm gonna do some dry runs with packing, just to make sure I've got a good plan for how my clothes are out there, plan, travel, repeat. But like and subscribe, and then you can see kind of my progress as I go along. And then I will link the exact product in the description, so take a look at that if you're interested, or just go ahead and search Bange travel backpack on Amazon, and you'll see the exact set that I'm looking at. But in the meantime, go ahead and keep planning, traveling, and repeating. I'm the OCD Traveler.